For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, ½ tablespoon of salt, 1 packet of yeast, 2 cups of flour, ½ cup of plant milk of your choice, any plant milk will work fine, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. I am throwing all of the ingredients starting from the wet ingredients, so liquid first, into my G2.6 Optimum blender by Froothie, closing the lid and selecting the smoothie function, pressing start, and that's all you need to do. The blender will do the work for you. As you can see, the consistency is perfect, no lumps, no clots. Consistency is perfect. So I am going to scoop it out and put it into my bowl. And I am going to put my bowl into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, the dough is growing already, and it will grow more. There you go. And here you have it ready. It needs to stay in the oven for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It's perfect consistency. You can use this as scone or as breakfast bread. Is so soft and nice, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let us know if you tried it and what you think, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao!